we going, girls?
Don't know. We go to go.
We don't know.
Nobody knows. Football.
We are here in Samziuram.
Resort. Inaugurated by Sri Cindy Wabang Ayer.
We're crossing the mango grove. Speaking
Hey,
of British
this one,
Nagaland. Yeah. Right, we'll get to that. Yeah? We'll get to that.
This is river side, you know? This is river.
So what were you saying?
I know there is a river down here.
Daddy, would you like to say something?
Now we are going down to the river.
Is it? There's a landslide over there. I don't see any road here. I think we'll have to walk from here on.
There we go.
Since as you can see the road is pechak in the world. Are we going there? Seems like it. नहीं
Gari to paribo. Ate to manu ka na si kobole na pare.
Oh, look at that. Look at that hut. I think we will be going over there. Today is gonna be another fun day. We are still in Peren district. And that's my crew. That is gonna get the car. आज का दिन बहुत ही गरम दिन है. कल तो हम इतना प्यारा ठंडा जगह जाके आया पेनरी विलेज. आज तो यहाँ पे तो गर्मी है because we are at different district, at a different place. I think we are under a village called Samziuram, and my relatives are taking us around this resort. Forgot how it pronounced. So you keep watching. रिजॉर्ट के अंदर आ चुके हैं. बहुत गर्मी है आज का दिन, लेकिन हम देखते हैं. Wow, there are some pine trees in that area. It's such a hot place, but how did those pine trees survive? मामे गर्मी लग रहा है आज तो.
बहुत गर्मी है.
अब तो तैयार था ट्रैकिंग करने के लिए. तो लंदन ब्रिज दिखा हमें. लंदन ब्रिज. Is that the London Bridge?
bridge. Maintenance.
वाह देखो.
रास्ता खराब है.
Mountain is missing all the fun. So you can see the bridge. Oh, the grass ने block कर दिया है. Woo!
Oh, we are walking
Look
that way.
at this.
Oh, so soft.
Beauty. Look at that beauty. ये घर रिजॉर्ट की तरह बनाया हुआ है. बहुत पुराना है. I can see that it's almost गिरने वाले हालत में हो गया. I think काफी पुराना है, पर बहुत सुंदर बनाया है. So let's go आगे. Yeah, I'm coming. मम्मी चिल्ला रही है मेरे फोटो क्लिक करने के लिए. ओके, ये आ गया हमारा ब्रिज. Ooh. Look at this beauty. काफ़ी खूबसूरत है ये जगह भी, लेकिन बहुत गर्मी है आज का दिन. I think it will be better if we come during the winter. See, look at the pine trees. I think this is like a man-made lake. पूरा सर्कल करके बनाया हुआ है ये पानी, वाटर बॉडी. Let's go up. They've maintained before. आजकल I don't think they do any maintenance. Look at this now. Wow. Oof, sorry. The pine trees, you'll find this at my घर in the village. देखो क्या entrance है. And then I see there are more people picnicking out here. I mean, another family. Look at this house. Ooh. Wow, 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 wow. काफी सुंदर बनाया है. वाह.
Structure similar about that. Maintenance.
Yeah. Kinalam होना चाहिए सा.
Salary ini na. Very.
Look at this wooden roofing. But it's like half done. Nah?
Not only have the maintenance, not there.
Wow. Tsaka to kasi dangora siya to, Olive. छाता जी पहना लो थोड़ा. I kept it there. They're tired. पर ये ऐसे गंदगी नहीं फैलाना चाहिए. प्लास्टिक्स वगैरह देखो ये लोग खाना वाना खा के आके पिकनिक करके. This shouldn't be thrown like this. This should be avoided. We're going that side. हाँ, आंटी बता रहा है कि ये प्राइवेट है. दिस इज नॉट गवर्नमेंट का नहीं है, ये किसी एक इंसान का है. बहुत बढ़िया है, लेकिन ये प्रॉपर्टी तो बहुत बढ़िया है, लेकिन मेंटेनेंस नहीं है. देखो ये बाद में ये पूरा ये तो कॉस्मोस प्लान है, पूरा खिलेगा अक्टूबर के टाइम पे, सितंबर अक्टूबर के टाइम पे. यू कैन सी व्हाट इज दिस. नाइस. Another pine trees. Okay. Wow, I can get a better glimpse of the hut from here. Maybe we go around like this, no? देखो काफी बढ़िया लग रहा है ये घर इधर से. वाह, लेकिन ये पाइन ट्री तो इतना ह्यूज है, ये वाला सबसे बड़ा है. But it is very hot right now. Let me just take some few shots and take a shelter. तो हम दूसरे साइड आ गए हैं व्यू देखने. इस साइड से कैसे दिखता है. Look at this flower, mama. This is the flower we have in the Changbang village. But that is like going up like this. Yo, follow me, troops. Yo. Okay, the family, they are here. We're gonna disturb them again. अच्छा, यहाँ से लेक व्यू दिखता है. 또 왜 모모가 오기 흥어지. It's just the lake view, ना.
यदि भी हाथ एकता बनाई दिले भल ना. रानी ताकि पड़ा है.
family का तो 왜 모모가.
पीछे आई वो.
아우네 동안 니켈라 브라보니 또 가고래 비치 그래야죠.
아니나 저기 그러나. 그날도 그냥 막 가면 뷰 먹으래 먹었나.
नेपाली गाना हुने छ
엄마 가면은 피싱에서도 보는.
Let's go that side. Because you haven't been there. Lead the way, mommy. I'm just following you. जगह तो बहुत ही सुंदर है. अगर वेल मेंटेन करता तो और बढ़िया होता है ना मम्मी? It's like Mongleu Resort, Green Park, like the ones in Dimapur. It'll be better than those resorts if it was well maintained. क्योंकि बाद में थोड़ी देर में ये कॉस्मोस सारा खिलेंगे. ये तो पूरा कॉस्मोस है. इधर भी जा सकते हैं. जाओ आप. उधर तो लड़का लोग आ गया क्या? इधर तो हम लोग गया था ना, लिंग हम लोग. हाँ, यहाँ तो हम आया हुआ है. जगह तो एक नंबर है, जो भी बोलो. अच्छा लगा हमें, लेकिन इतना गर्मी के टाइम पे नहीं आना चाहिए.
देखो देखो
ना ना ना
ये
ना
मल्ला.
ना ना.
Oh,
लेकिन ये गिरने वाला जैसा है. How
do
are
they go?
people?
from where it?
I think that side. जहाँ से हम गाड़ी रखा था वो वहाँ पे वो अंकल था ना, केयरटेकर, उस तरफ से जाता है शायद. हाँ, ठंड के टाइम पे आओ इधर भी, मज़ा आ जाएगा. And you can like get your things to eat, have a little picnic here with your family. But then remember not to litter here and there. जो अपना प्लास्टिक वगैरह ले आया है, देखो वापस ले जाना घर. सफाई रखो यहाँ पे. अभी नदी के उस पार आ गए हैं हम. पहले उधर था, अभी हम इस तरफ आ गए हैं. एंड रास्ता काफी छोटा है, थोड़ा इंचमचंगा हो रहा है.
zung हो रहा है.
लेकिन बाबा बहुत दिलदार बन गए, हमें बोल रहे हैं
थके
जैसे कि उसका तातागारी है.
잡이제 비셔라.
이쁘르다. 턴스킷.
फिर टाइट था गला ये लंदा
लोलो का रफ टाइट हो गया है बोला अभी सुनने में आया. दूसरा ग्रुप लोग वहाँ पहुँच गया है. Look at this. I think this is very पुराना. थोड़ा नीचे स्लोप हो गया है घर. We are inside this thatched hut. लोलो अभी तक कैसा लग रहा है? हाँ, तुमको इस घर में रहो 10,000 देगा बोलेगा तो रहेगी? हाँ?
10,000 क्या?
पहले तो रहेगा बोला, फिर भी ने बोला हंसा 10,000, तो फिर वो बोलती है 10,000 की. लिख भी रही 10, ठीक है चलो 10 लाख देगा, रहेगी? 잡이제 비싸다.
나 전질도 안 나와.
Usually one know already.
누구는 실내.
People are inside already.
실내. 쏘다.
We came to this.
We're entering
This looks like Jerusalem stone house.
like a tunnel.
Yeah. All right.
Restroom.
Okay.
You go ahead, you'll find number bedroom. The imaginary hand wash, and this will be where the toiletries will be kept.
All right. Take us around.
Come to my humble abode.
Okay, Lola will take us
This is
around.
the-
We're inside the hut, okay? And little,
Oh, it's shaky.
yeah.
It's
It's
recommended
pretty
not
old.
to let people above 100 kgs to enter here.
All right. Atyo is not allowed here. Thank God my brother didn't come. Because
This one is locked. This is
it's
the
very shaky.
master bedroom here. Scary.
Okay, this is a room.
They have a bedroom there.
Oh, wow. But it's locked. I wish we could take a peep inside. I wish I could, but I can't. See. देखो.
아니, 다시 빨리
Okay, they met their family. Hello, uncle. Got some family. Hello.
Hello.
Ciao, kayase. Huh? Kayase.
What's
that
you're eating?
Your lunch.
Ciao.
Look at this. So nice. So airy. They're having their picnic here. Look at these people. Lolo taking a picture. Photography चल रहा है यहाँ पे. Model बनने जा रही है.
And they take shit photos about of me.
Horse खास रानी. मुझे भी लो. सुन. Hey. Look, they are not satisfied with the photos they're taking for each other.
They don't know how to take picture.
What? What are you saying?
Zeliang looking so beautiful, is it?
Now, I don't know if Lolo will be satisfied with this one. Ling is trying to take a good picture. She's scared of Lolo. Now, let's check Lolo's reaction. Lolo, are you satisfied with the photo?
Let me see it. What is this? I look like naughty.
But you look like her today. Just that you're not black.
I look like Anadun.
Okay, take a photo of me first. Come. What about my photo?
Oh yeah.
Shut up
Got
and
to
take a
pay
photo.
money.
तो हाँ फाइनली हम लोग यहाँ से निकल गए हैं. अंदर था, फोटोशूट वगैरह हो गया. तो now we'll be going back home finally. It's super hot, very sunny. So well, see ya in my next vlog. ये जगह कैसा लगा आपको? कुछ बोलना चाहोगे?
ठीक है.
अच्छा है.
अच्छा है.
अगर अच्छा से मेंटेन
बहुत
करता है
गर्म
तो.
है.
हाँ आज बहुत गर्म है.
Very hot.
कल बढ़िया था ना?
हाँ.
कल ठंडा जगह गया था. Hill station. So we'll go there again maybe in the month of October. There is a festival, Cosmos Festival.
During the month of October and November, that time we will go and visit.
And hopefully to the Mount Pona trek. तो आज का व्लॉग यही समाप्त करते हैं क्योंकि हम बस आराम करेंगे. बहुत गर्मी है. फिर हम वापस चले जाएंगे. Back to Dimapur. So keep watching that Yellow Indian. Bye. Mommy say bye-bye.
Bye.